Welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's video I will show you top 5 uses of WD-40 on your lawnmower. First and most common thing why I use WD-40 on my lawnmower is to clean it and make it shiny. This is especially good before selling one. Second reason for using it is to lube moving parts of your lawnmower, especially wheels, and I can tell you after applying WD-40 it feels so smooth, almost like brand new. Third reason is actually very useful and saved me money few times. If you are struggling to start your mower, just simply apply WD-40 on spark plug and clean it. Also apply it on connector and gently wipe it. Fourth reason is the reason why WD-40 exists. Just simply apply it on engine parts that might rust over time. It will prevent it without hesitation. Trust me on this one. And finally, fifth reason to use WD-40 is to lubricate your blades. This will prevent grass to stick on blades and later it will be much easier to clean it underneath.